Yes, we are barbecuing. Oh my God. Okay, it's good.
Saturday afternoon, we're going to put on a barbecue. And over probably 30 years of barbecuing and completely destroying stuff, this is the best way that I've found a barbecue ever. And it's with good old-fashioned barbecue briquettes. And you don't need a big fancy propane grill or a green egg or one of those wood pellet smokers. That's all a bunch of stuff to separate you from your money. What you need is one of these. Good old Char-Griller, little mini barrel briquette barbecuer. And the secret to getting briquettes going is having one of these pre-starter chimneys, I think is what they're called. Best invention ever. You just put some paper under there, light a match, and you don't need that match light stuff that's soaked with gas to get briquettes going. You just need one of those. Wait about 10 minutes, she's good to go. Got this baby seasoned. She's got plenty of barbecues on her. Gonna do some party wings and hamburgers. Just about ready. Set at full draft so we can get those coals nice and hot. Get the barbecue surface nice and hot. And that's what's nice about barbecue like these. If you have a flare up, which is pretty often with briquettes, you can just turn that off, choke it from getting oxygen, and the flare up will just disappear. When you're barbecuing wings, if you try to barbecue wings with barbecue sauce on them, you must always end up with flare-ups and you totally ruin the wings. Best way to do it is from frozen or half frozen. Just throw them on the grill, get them nice and golden brown till they're cooked, and then put them in a bowl and dunk them in whatever sauce that you want to do. Hot sauce, barbecue sauce, teriyaki, whatever. And the heat of the wing cooks it onto the skin and makes for a way better wing and a lot less waste. The proper way to eat, or in this case, taste test a chicken wing. Hold it with your 3 fingers as so. Push. Burn the shit out of your hands. And all that meat. So good. And it's a Wendy style hamburger, and I'll show you how to make those patties the fastest and easiest, no mess way, and with flies. You want cheese? You want hot wings or barbecue? Hot wings or barbecue? Down here. Go. Just wait, just wait. Alright, are you rolling? Stop. Hamburgers. A little bit more. It's like hockey pucks. Extra one for later. And we're experimenting with garlic bread in the bag. It says not over an open flame, and this isn't technically an open flame, so we'll see how it comes out. Go. So with the garlic butter on the other side of that bread, it flames up. So with this little barbecue, the only way, the most awesome way to get rid of it, you just choke the oxygen off of it by closing down the vents. Flare up gone. No squirt bottle, no propane grill bullshit. And you got perfect barbecued garlic bread. That one will go on a little bit more. And the other thing with these grills is if you leave the door open, the briquettes will start to get a lot hotter. So if you're having trouble getting the briquettes to go off, you just leave the door open until they start going gray or orange, and then you can choke it down with the vents and with the lid closed. Right now I kind of want to sear that bread, so you just leave the lid open to get them hot again. Okay, you see the flame up? I just went over it with my hyper tough low buck barbecue grill scraper. Close that down. Close that down. No more flames. And then you just put it on low, close all the vents down, and it'll cook it nice and keep it nice and clean. Do a heat cook. Heat cook. Alright, so it's the next day. We're going to show you how to clean a briquette barbecue. As you notice, I had the vents choked down, so it cooks the grate pretty good, or cleans it just from the residual heat of the briquettes. So there's not a lot of scraping to do on the grates, which is nice. If you've ever had a propane grill, you know it can be a real pain in the neck. And then all you do is open up the tray and dump everything out. That's about as much as you got to clean.